Hello class, so we are on page number 52. Let's begin it. It always seems that bad news spreads quickly. So here I was thinking now. So that I was telling that the boy was thinking that because the school was new and because of that no one was concerning for my grade and no one was just even asking what happened with you are in tension, okay, tell me your tension. No one is just sharing my pain because I am just studying in a new school. So here he was just repenting and remembering his old school where he was just before ninth. So here just see, I thought this, but in the light of the past few weeks, nothing would surprise me. It almost seemed that they were trying to show me. Show means push hard. Show. Shove. Show means push hard. Push hard. So here he is saying, na, because of that I am just, so if means I am feeling that someone is just pushing me hard. मुझे hard push कर रहा है. No one is sharing my pain. Okay, because everyone is new here. Even my school, even my friends, even my companions. Oh, here see, they had taken up a collection on board. And what happened when he was just being ready? Na, every in the school, what happened? Every student has a locker in which they can change their clothes. They can take their gym clothes. Gym means in the sense yoga classes, exercise classes, PT classes, you can understand. So here he was just being ready for yoga classes, for gym classes. So in that time what happened, he was just watching one thing, that one big table was kept. On that table some books, some supplies and different type of clothes, jeans, many things are kept. And it was just appearing that it was the collection especially to celebrate Christmas. I was overcome by emotion, people who never spoke me. And it means here the boy is saying now everything was just kept especially for me. And he will hear the tears of happiness were coming in the eyes of boy, that the person who never spoke to me properly, they are just arranging, and even they arranged for me this table, this big table, the things on this big table they have arranged. So it was the reason he was just weeping not because of the pain, weeping because of the happiness कि they think of me only. And it is the result. This table shows how much they think of me. I got all kinds of invitations to there, and from that they all invited to me. You come at my home. Please come at 3 o'clock. Please come at my house and have lunch, have dinner, have breakfast. Like this only, everyone was mingled even. Everyone was just showing that I am in love with you. I love you so much. Means everyone just showing love. Their genuine outpouring of concern really touched me. In that instant, I finally breathed a sigh of relief. Thought for the first time that things were going to be okay. Now he was thinking, ki now I got my friends. Here my new friends are really just like old friends, and I feel love for them only, and they also feel love for me also. A month later, and after 1 month, I was at my house watching them rebuild it, and my house was just I was thinking that जो house caught fire हुआ था, that house was rebuilding. It was just recreating, but this time it was different. I was all alone. I was with two my new friends from school, and I took a fire for me to stop focusing on my feelings of insecurity, open up to all my wonderful people around me. Now I was sitting there watching my house being rebuilt, and I realized my life was doing the same thing. So what happened? So here he was thinking that now my life is becoming very good, and my friends are also supporting me. Someone always, or everyone was supporting me. Everyone was standing with me. They are showing love to me. me. So here he was feeling all okay. He was thinking that everything is going to be all okay, especially for me. Okay, while we sat there on the curb, planning my new bedroom, I heard someone walk up to me and from behind and say, does this belong to you? And finally what happened, all the friends and he including was sitting there, thus they were just planning to do that thing, do this thing, like this only they are planning to make the building. So in that time one person came there and he was just asking, that person was asking, does this belong to you? Does this belong, this means what, the cat does belong to you? Okay, when I turned round to see, and just suddenly I turned like this, and who is it? Means उसने देखा कि who it was. What is this? I could not believe on my eyes that a woman was standing there holding my cat. I leapt up and grabbed her out of the woman's arms. I held her close to me, and finally what happened? That woman was standing and asking, this cat belongs to you? So here the boy was so much pleased and thinking, oh my god, I found my cat lastly. Okay, cried into the beautiful orange fur, and she purred, I told you, purring means, I told you the sound of cat. Sound of cat, earlier I told you in my previous video. Cat purring, mew mew like that. Okay, and my friends were hugging me also, my friends also, means everyone was hugging the cat, everyone was pleased hugging the cat, and apparently my cat had been so freaked I told, freaked means that I told no, weak or freak, same meaning. Okay, kamjor by the fire, and that she ran over a mile away. Her collar had our phone number on it, but our phone had been destroyed. Actually on the collar the boy has written phone number on the collar of the cat, but phone numbers, phone, everything was spoiled na, in that fire. So because of that lady cannot contact to the boy. So that's why it takes long to meet that kitten. This wonderful woman took her in her and worked hard to find out whose cat it was. Somehow she knew that cat was loved and sorely missed. As I sat there with my friends and my cat curled up in my lap, all the over welcoming. So here, it was the tragedy seemed to be demise. I felt gratitude for my life, my friends, my kindness of a stranger, and loud pour of my beloved cat. So my cat was back, and so I was. So here the story is going to an end. Finally what happened, the cat was found by the poet, not poet, by the author, by the boy, and here boy was feeling all okay कि now my house becomes a home. I told you now what is the meaning of home and house. So house means, so means here the house, जो पहले हाउस था, दैट इज न्यू, नो मेंबरशिप, नो रिलेशनशिप, नो अफेक्शन, नाउ इट टर्न इनटू फुल ऑफ अफेक्शन, फुल ऑफ मेंबरशिप, full of bonding of the love. So here the house changes into a home, a sweet home, and in that sweetness friends were there, school was there, school staff were there, teachers were there, even cat was there, mama was there, means that house contains that thing. Now house turned into home. So house is having everything. That's it for this lesson. Mark the confusion if you are confused and ask to me. Till then, take care, goodbye. We'll continue in the next class. Happy learning. Bye.